This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brooks. Price to sell. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath oceanfront condo is nestled in the private, gated community of Dune Walk by the ocean. Featuring updated wood-like tile plank flooring, a spacious white kitchen with bar seating, and an open-concept living area, this unit is ideal for relaxation and enjoying Florida living year-round. Conveniently located on the first floor, you'll have easy access to bringing in groceries, taking your dog for a walk, or heading to the pool or beach, just steps away from the sand and heated pool. The generously sized master bedroom faces the ocean and includes a lovely ensuite bathroom. The living room opens to your private screened patio, allowing you to enjoy the ocean breeze. Offered fully furnished with coastal decor, this condo serves as the ultimate family getaway or holiday home. Additionally, it is available for rent up to 12 times a year, with a minimum stay of 30 days, making it an excellent investment opportunity. Located in Jensen Beach, you'll also be close to downtown bars, restaurants, and shops. This property is attractively priced and easy to show. All assessments have been paid in full by the current owners. The Milestone inspection report and structural integrity reserve study have both been completed. The building's exterior is currently under construction and is expected to be completed in 2026. The sellers replaced the carpet in the unit with ceramic wood-like plank tile. The master bedroom has carpet, all tile and supplies included in the sale for buyers to install. For more information, review the details below or contact Brooks at 561-632-1341.